All right. Good day. I am Esu Ajala from Lagos, Nigeria. I want to solve this ICT IGCSE Legal 2016 paper step by step so that everybody can understand what we are talking about. So we'll try to go step by step. Okay. So you work for a company called Tawara Adventures. You're going to perform some clerical tasks for this company. That's one. Your evidence document. Open the file. So we're going to go to the source folder. Okay, so we have our source files here. Open the file J2RC's evidence.rtf. Where is it? Okay, I find it. J2RC's evidence.rtf. Okay. Make sure that your name, center number, account will appear on every page of this document. So you can do that through the header or footer. Just so double click on the header, your name. Mine is just permit you to use that. Candidates center number. So let's use this NG777. Then candidate number 0777. So this will show on every page of the evidence document. Okay. Save this evidence document in your work area as J2RC followed by your candidate number. Okay. So I want to save this file. Save as my work area. Okay. My work area is my folder. So what's the format? J216 evidence. J216 evidence. Okay, J216 evidence followed by candidate number. Okay, J216 evidence, a candidate number 0777. Okay, you will need this to store. Okay, so I'll change this to the formats of the software that I'm using, which is Word document, .docs, save. Okay, so that is save. J216 evidence 0777 in 3 places .docx. Okay, okay, that is done. That's true. You are going to edit a newsletter for Tawara Adventures. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph style should be created and applied as instructed. All imported data should have the news body text style applied unless otherwise instructed. All imported data. So this is key. All imported data should have the news body text style applied except it is otherwise stated. So we have to note that. Now, using a suitable software package, open the file J216 newsdraft.rtf. Okay, J216 newsdraft.rcf. Okay, Eureka, find it. Okay, we have this. Set the page size to A4, orientation to portrait, A4, page size, under page layouts, size. I go to more paper sizes, so I can play with different options here. So the paper size is A4. Orientation to portrait, under layout. Okay, I have margins. Under margins, orientation is portrait. Top and bottom margins to 2.5 centimeters. So this is the top, 2.5 centimeter. If your application is not in centimeter, then you have to write the cm. This is the top, this is the bottom. Bottom is okay, 2.5 centimeter. You need to be double sure so you don't make unnecessary mistakes. Left and right margins to 1.5 centimeter. So this is my left, 1.5 centimeter. On my right is also 1.5 centimeter. Okay, take screenshots to show the page size Place this in your evidence document. Okay, the page size, okay, that is my paper size A4. So I'm going to press print screen and I grab the paper size. So okay, then okay, paper size, Ctrl V to paste it. That is done. Okay, evidence 2. Take screenshot to show the margin settings. Place this in your evidence document. Okay, I go back to more paper sizes, margins, screenshots of this. Okay, okay, I'll drop it here. That's great. Okay, that's done. Number 2, save the document in your work area with the file name newsletter. Make sure it is saved in the format of the software you are using. So this is the document, file, save as. So I'm saving as newsletter, okay, .docx. That's the format of the software I'm using. I'm saving this. I'm sorry, I'm going to go back. I left something. Okay, let's continue. Okay, place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. So I'm going to open my folder. That's my work area. Okay, so this is what I just saved now. Newsletter, see it here. So I want to show the evidence that I use another file format, which is .docx, and they can see the type here. So I will click this to enlarge it. So take screenshots of this. That's what they want, and then put it here. That's great. Okay, so we can continue. Okay, number 3. Now place in the header your name, center number, and country number left aligned. Okay, let me click the header. Your name, center number, country number left aligned. This is my name, my left. S.O Ajala. Center number NG 777. As the case may be. Candidate number 0777. Center number left aligned. Automated page number right aligned. Okay, is a part required? Okay, no, okay. That's another one. Automated page number right aligned. So that is in the quick parts. Field tab P for page number. Okay, page. Okay, right aligned. Place in the footer the automated file name and path. Okay, center aligned in the footer. Okay, so we're in the footer now. In the footer, the automated file name and path right center aligned. Center aligned. Okay, tab to take it to the center. Page, field, file name, the path is required, center aligned. Okay, so try and reduce the size of this. Okay, center aligned. Your name, done. Make sure that all the alignment match the page margins. No other text is included in the header and footer area. Headers and footers are displayed on all pages. Okay, so I'll check the margins again. Top and bottom margins was 2.5 centimeters. So I'll make the margins here to be the same thing with the page. So 2.5 centimeter here. So this must be done to ensure consistency. 2.5 centimeter there. Okay, that is done. Close. So we are done with header and footer. Let's go over that again. For header and footer. Okay, your name, center number, account number, left aligned. Okay, that is done. Automated page numbers, right aligned. Right, that is done. In the footer, file name and part, center aligned. Okay, that is done. No other text is included in the header and footer area. Header and footers are displayed on all pages. Oh, great, that is done. So we are good to go. Okay, now create the following paragraph styles. Why do we create this? Is to ensure consistency. When you have a company and you want to give out some materials from your company, it's the materials will carry your logo, the kind of font you are using, your company color. So that's why we are creating in-house specification style sheet, just like CSS in dealing with website authoring, which ensures consistency of your elements or your tags all over your website. So the same thing is applicable here for all the documents going out from this particular company. So we are going to take time to create the house style specifications. Okay, so we'll begin from here. Now if you look at it, this place we have different styles. These are default styles. So we are going to create our own. Click on this small looking down arrow, create a style as a new style. And then what is the first style name? Okay, I have the privilege of selecting. You may be using paper. You just notice that you must type the same thing exactly. News-title. And you click on modify. Okay, font style is sans serif. Okay, an example of sans serif is Arial. Let's stick to Arial. That's the font style. 26 points. Changes to 26. Alignment is center. Oh, this has changed back. 26. Center. So this is center. Announcement is bold. Sorry, I have some people talking here. They will soon leave. Announcement is bold. Announcement is bold. Line spacing, we get that under format. Okay, it's gone. Thank you. Line spacing is single line spacing. Space before, space after is 00. So we have 00 here. Okay. Area 26, bold, center. Okay. Area 26, center, bold, single, 00. Oh, sorry, this is center here. Center alignment. Okay, let me go back to paragraph. Okay, single 00. The center alignment here. Area 26 bold. Okay, so we are done with news title. So go back to the normal. Another one, the second one, which is news subtitle. New subtitle. Modify. Sans serif, that's area again. 16 right italic. 16 right, it's my right align. Italic. 16 right italic. Single 00. Okay, so single line spacing is here. It is 00 by default. That is done for this subtitle. You click on normal bar. The third one, create a star. Okay, news subheading. Sans serif 16 center, new subheading, modify. Sans serif is area 16 center, sans serif 16 center, bold underlined, single 012, bold underline. Okay, format, paragraphs, single 012, 0 before, 12 points after. Okay, that is done. Single 012, bold underline, single 012, bold underline, single 012, center. Okay, that is done. Okay, number again. The next, create the style. News body, modify, which is serif, Times New Roman, it's an example of serif fonts. 12 justified, 12 is here, this is justified. No announcement, single 012, okay, so this is single here. Paragraph, after is 12. Okay, single 012, 12, okay, that is done. Wow. Okay, the last but not the least, create a style. It may take some time to do it, you have to create it, so take your time to ensure that it is created accurately. So type in the correct name here, modify, serif, Times New Roman, serif 12 left, this is left already. Okay, no announcement, single 00, so that is taken care of. Okay, normal. Oh, thank God, we're done with that. Okay, evidence 4. Place in your evidence document screenshot to show all the settings for the news subheading style. Okay, so I'll look for news subheading. Oh, great! This is it. I go to modify, so I can see everything. News subheading. Let me ensure that it's sans serif area. That's correct. 16 center bold underline. 16 center bold underlined. Single 012. So I'm going to show, now I have the evidence I use single line spacing here, but I cannot see that I use 12 points after. So I'm going to show the paragraph window. So I have the two of them. So single, 0 before, 12 after. Then I will show this evidence of this screen. So I'll take the two this way, then okay, and I'll put it here. You start adding definitions. Oh, great. So that is done. Okay, save your work. So this is done. Now, at the start of the document, enter the title: Tawara Adventures Newsletter. So ensure you don't make mistake when entering. Okay, just come here, the start of the document, tap enter, then go up, Tawara, let me just type it, Adventures Newsletter. Follow the case of the letters. Apply the news title style to this text. So select this, the news title. Okay, here it is. That's the news title. Below the title, add the subtitle. Okay, here. Add the subtitle. First drafts by colon. And add your name, your full name. I will use this S.O. Ajala. Apply the new subtitle style. apply the new subtitle style to this text. So select this news, so that's subtitle. Great. Apply the news body style to the rest of the document. We have done all this. Apply the news body style to the rest of the document. Okay, come here. Control Shift End. We select it to the end of the document. So we are applying the news body style. Here it is. That's the body style. Now if you check very well, you will see that the format is not applicable to all of them. Okay, so let's take it paragraph by paragraph. The news body, so it's applicable to that. Double click the format painter and then paint the rest of the document. So we have format being applied to all of them now. We have the format being applied to all of them. Okay, escape. Okay, number 10. Change the page layout so that all the text after the first paragraph is in 2 columns of equal width with 1.5 centimeter spacing between them. So this is the first paragraph, all the text, and from here downward, Control Shift End. So we change this to 2 columns and page layout. Okay, columns, more columns. Don't pick 2 from here. More columns will give you more options. 2 columns. I think it's 1.5 centimeter spacing. Let's check again. Okay, great. Identify, okay, 1.5 centimeters, 2 columns, selected text. Oh, that is great. Identify the 7 subheadings in the document and apply the new subheading style to each one. Okay, just pick for one of them. That's the subheading, there are 7 of them. So the new that's subtitle, subheading. Oh, let me see, what did I use for this? Subtitle. Yeah, let me cross check for subtitle again. Subtitle. Oh, subtitle is supposed to be right aligned. So I'm going to format this again. Format. Subtitle. Right aligned. Okay, so I'm going to dissociate this from this. It's inheriting the property of that. Subtitle, right aligned. Okay. Enter. Okay. Okay, I have to go back to that again. Enter. First draft. by s.o Jella. The subtitle. Okay, so that is fixed. The problem was that when I did it at first, I pressed enter, shift enter, so it inherited the property of the title. So I have to press enter and do that again. So you may encounter that problem. That is how to go about it. So when you are working on this, you must be conscious of what you are doing, and you ensure that you check your work to ensure that everything is working properly. It's not enough to rely on your settings on the computer. So you have to look at it also visually to ensure that you are on the right track. Okay, so we're back here. The subheadings. The subheadings. Now identify the 7 subheadings in the document and apply the new subheading style to each one. Okay, so this is number 1, subheading, which is okay. So I've applied it for this. I can just click this and double click the format printer. Look for other subheadings. Okay, this is one of them. Yeah, it's another one, number 3. Number 4, let's look up to see that we don't have anyone there. Number 4, number 5, number 6, the last one, number 7. So these are the 7 subheadings. Save your work. Open the file J216 news sports.csv and insert the content as a table within the column with after the test. Okay, J216 sport. Okay, J216 news sports. Okay, so let me open it with Excel. Okay, so I have this. Click here to enlarge everything. Okay, I'm going to do all the formatting in Excel before importing. Delete the third column with the heading rating from the table. The third column with the heading rating. Delete this. Make sure that the news table style is applied to columns 2 and 3. Okay, we're going to do that in Word. Text in all borders and grid lines are displayed when printed. All borders and grid lines are displayed when printed. So pick this, show the grid lines, all borders, grid lines. Format the table so that the left column looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to merge this, merge, then the text direction, I think it's facing up. Okay, this is at the middle. Okay, this is serve times new row to serve your activities, and then it's wrapping. Okay. Okay. I'm going to take this. Within a column with after the test activities to our centers. Okay, Control F, activities to okay, So we are pasting it here. Okay. Activities to our center. Okay. So that is Alt Enter on the keyboard. Took the other part to the next line to ensure that we have the text like this: news, activities. Okay, so we want to be as perfect as possible, and then this has a gray background like this. This is bold, just like we have it here, bold activities. Okay, so we're taking this, copy this down to the end of the activities centers. Okay, it's pasted. Let's see the instructions again. Make sure that the news table is applied to columns 2 and 3. So columns 2 and 3. The news table. Okay, so that is applied. Text in columns 2 and 3 displays on one line. Okay, so this is not displaying on one line. Just this. Okay, that is done. All borders and green lines are displayed when printed. Okay, that is done. Format the table so that the left column looks like this. Okay, this. Okay, can make this one. I can close this more. I just look like that. Let me take this to the middle more. Or leave it. Okay, fit in. Okay, it's alright. Import the image J216 cabin.jpg and place this below the subheading accommodation. Okay, J216 cabin. Okay, Control C and Control V. Where are we pasting it? And place this below the subheading accommodation. Okay, accommodation is here. Okay, it's pasted. Reflect the image so the tree is on the right, like this. So we have this. So we are going to reflect the image to turn it this way. So let's rotate it 180, 90, flip vertical, flip horizontal as reflection. Just like this. When you flip it horizontally, it changes to this. Originally like this, flip horizontal. We have this. Okay, just like what they reflect the image so the tree is on the right, like this. So the tree is on the right. Great. Resize the image so that it is 4 centimeters wide. Okay, 4 centimeters. This is the width. 4 centimeters. By default, it maintains the aspect ratio as the ratio of the length and the breadth. The aspect ratio is maintained. Align the image to the top of the paragraph, starting self-catering accommodations. Right margin within the column. Okay. So I'm going to wrap the text with square wrapping or tight wrapping. Any of them do the work. Square wrapping.
Every stripe upon your battered back, every thorn that pierced your
So I'm sure it is well wrapped. Okay. So that is done. Make sure the text wrap around the image it looks like this. Okay, is accommodation the wrap. Okay, exactly. Okay, Okay, that is done. I'm gonna cancel this. Change the list from free Wi-Fi to climbing wall to a bulleted list with square bullet. Okay, where is that? Free Wi-Fi to climbing wall, bullet list, square bullets. This is square bullet. Okay. Make sure that the bullets are positioned to 2.5 centimeters from the left margin. Okay, right click, paragraph, left indent is 2.5 centimeter. The list is in a single line spacing with no space before or after. Go back to paragraph, single line spacing 00. Okay, no line spacing between and after. Save the document and don't forget consistency. Okay, save the document. Okay, Control S, save the document, the changes in the document. Okay, that is done. So we're done with the word part. If there are other questions added to it, we shall see that later. But to remove the widows and the orphans, let's go through the document again. Okay, let's do the spell check that is under review, spelling and grammar. Good afternoon. That's my student greeting me. Okay, so we'll continue. Okay, change all. I think that is correct. Ignore all. Point. Ignore. Ignore all. Ignore all. Ignore all. That's correct. Oh, my name, number, okay, change, comma, resume. Okay. Thank you very much. We'll continue from there. Also, next time we can go through it.
You're the God of awesome wonders. I've tasted of your power.